Rumors emerging from deep within the global supply chain are no longer pointing toward just another premium Android tablet. Instead, they suggest Samsung is preparing something far more ambitious, a device designed to erase the remaining boundaries between traditional laptops and mobile computing. The focus of these reports is the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, a machine increasingly described by insiders as Samsung's boldest attempt yet to redefine what a tablet can be. Rather than simply upgrading the previous generation with faster hardware and minor refinements, Samsung appears to be building a device aimed directly at professionals, creators, and remote workers who have long relied on conventional laptops for serious productivity. The timing of the launch appears highly strategic. Multiple reports from analysts and supply chain sources continue to converge around a September 2026 release window. Such timing would allow Samsung to separate the tablet launch from its smartphone and smartwatch announcements earlier in the year, while positioning the device perfectly for the holiday shopping season. This approach gives the company an opportunity to capture the attention of professionals and creatives looking for a premium productivity device before the end of the year. At the center of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to be a major shift in processing power. Current leaks indicate Samsung may adopt the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor, built on an advanced 3-nanometer manufacturing process. This chipset is rumored to be optimized for AI-driven productivity features and a new generation of Samsung DeX functionality, often referred to in reports as Neural DeX. Rather than simply projecting a desktop-style interface onto a larger display, Neural DeX is expected to create a computing experience that behaves more like a true desktop workstation, with improved multitasking, smarter resource allocation, and faster AI-assisted workflows. Perhaps the most surprising leak involves memory configuration. Reports consistently mention a top-tier version equipped with an astonishing 24 GB of RAM. Such a figure places the tablet firmly in workstation territory rather than conventional mobile computing. This amount of memory would allow users to handle professional video editing, large photo libraries, demanding creative applications, and advanced multitasking scenarios without performance slowdowns. Combined with the efficiency advantages of a mobile operating system, the overall experience could potentially rival many premium ultrabooks currently on the market. Sustained performance has always been a challenge for thin mobile devices, but Samsung reportedly plans to address this with a significantly redesigned cooling system. Supply chain sources suggest the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra will feature a vapor chamber approximately 40% larger than that of its predecessor. This larger thermal solution should allow the processor to maintain higher clock speeds during extended workloads such as video rendering, 3D modeling, or CAD design without suffering from aggressive thermal throttling. For professional users, consistent performance often matters more than short bursts of benchmark numbers, making this one of the most important upgrades in the entire package. The physical design also appears to be receiving significant attention. Leaked component listings point toward a Grade 5 titanium frame intended to combine premium durability with reduced weight. Despite its large 14.6-inch footprint, the tablet is expected to remain remarkably thin and portable. Samsung's engineering challenge is not simply making the device lighter, but ensuring the chassis can effectively manage heat generated by the powerful internals while preserving structural rigidity. Display technology may once again become one of Samsung's strongest advantages. Reports indicate the use of a new Tandem OLED panel capable of reaching up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Such brightness levels would dramatically improve visibility in bright environments while providing the color accuracy and contrast required by photographers, designers, and video editors. The display is expected to support professional-grade color calibration and high refresh rates, further strengthening its appeal among creative professionals. Samsung is also rumored to be addressing one of the most frequently criticized aspects of previous Ultra tablets, the front camera design. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra may introduce dual 12-megapixel front cameras hidden beneath the display using advanced underpanel technology. Removing the notch or punch hole would create a completely uninterrupted screen while still providing high-quality video conferencing capabilities. Enhanced image processing could allow these cameras to outperform many webcams integrated into premium laptops. Battery life remains equally important for a device intended to replace a laptop. Current reports point toward an 11,600 mAh battery combined with the power efficiency of the 3nm chipset. Together, these improvements could provide enough endurance for an entire day of demanding professional work. Charging speeds may also increase substantially, with rumors suggesting support for up to 80W fast charging. The software ecosystem may ultimately determine the device's success. Samsung's upcoming S Pen Pro 3 is rumored to introduce advanced haptic feedback capable of simulating the sensation of different writing surfaces and drawing textures. Combined with Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, Bluetooth 6 support, and tighter integration with Galaxy devices, the Tab S12 Ultra appears designed not simply as another tablet, but as the centerpiece of Samsung's professional ecosystem. Whether 24GB of RAM and advanced AI features are enough to convince professionals to abandon traditional laptops remains uncertain. Legacy desktop applications will continue to anchor some users to conventional PCs. However, for digital nomads, content creators, and remote professionals, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra may represent the closest the industry has come to delivering a genuine laptop replacement in tablet form. If these leaks prove accurate, Samsung is not preparing an incremental update. It is preparing a serious challenge to the future of mobile computing itself.